Alright guys, welcome to another episode of OPUS Owners Hub. Today we're going to talk about solar panels. So the first question is, what do solar panels do? So with solar panels, what they do, they're converting power from the sun and they're converting it to DC current to be able to charge your batteries. So the next step with your solar panels, guys, you'll need one of these solar controllers. And what this is doing, this is stopping the overcharge to your batteries from the sun. What would happen if you didn't have one of these plugged in? The constant amps from the solar panel will just be going straight through to your battery and overcharging your battery. So this is indicating once the battery hits 100%, it cuts it out. So just for connecting up your solar panel to your camper trailer, with OPUS Campers, our solar panels come pre-wired with an Anderson plug, and so do our trailers. So it's pretty straightforward. This just plugs straight into there, as so, and then your solar panel is connected to your camper trailer. Alright guys, so as we've plugged our solar panel in, the next step is, how do we know if the solar panel is working? We head over to our voltmeter on our camper trailer, and the easiest way to put it, anything over 12.6 is a good sign, means the battery is charged. However, with this one, we got it over 13.8 at the moment, so that means the solar panel is working and charging the camper trailer. Alright guys, so as we've had our solar panel plugged in, and if you come over to your voltmeter, you've noticed there's not much charge going in. You can always come back down the solar panel and you go, is it facing direct sunlight? So what we can do here, as you can see, it's not really facing direct sunlight, so what we'll do, it's always good just to rearrange it. So we've just faced that more directly to the sunlight, and hopefully that will produce a bit more charge. But if you're still struggling to get more amps into your voltmeter here, if there's a little bit of shade on the solar panel, what will that will do? That will stop the solar panel from working at full capacity. So that being said, it's always good to get it in direct sunlight. If that means even putting it on top of the camper trailer or even on top of the car, to get it out of the shade and on top, so to face more sunlight. Alright guys, so just a major benefit of carrying one of these solar panels, knowing that you're going to go off grid and you're not going to have access to power. So that being said, what this will do, this will charge your battery and you won't have to worry about leaving and your battery going flat. Alright guys, that concludes another episode of OPUS Owners Hub. If you've got any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.